Welcome to Things You Shouldn't Say to Your Neighbors. Hey, so I was just parking my car and your car was kind of in the way, and so I hit your car. I've been listening to you guys arguing for years. You're both wrong. I just really can't sleep without hearing your sex noise. Hey guys, did you hear the news? I got a new pet. It's a screaming baboon. It's awesome. It just screams 24 hours a day. It just screams. It's so adorable. You should really see a doctor because the noises that comes from your bathroom are not human. Could I stay with you guys for a few weeks? I was arguing with my cat. Hey guys, you should really lock your apartment sometimes. When I check it, it's just unlocked, and I could go in there and take a bath and put on your underwear or stuff like that. I don't, but I could. Hey guys, just so you know, all the racist and homophobic slur that I have on my front door and the swastika, it's just satire. So guys, my washing machine broke down. Could I use yours to take a bath? Guys, you're the best neighbors I've ever had. And you guys are so adorable when you're sleeping. I could watch you for hours.